Good evening Hakology viewers. In tonight's video we're going to be looking at the Wiimote tonight. For tonight's video you will need a Wiimote, a Bluetooth dongle and a PC. You're also going to need a copy of Brian Peake's Wiimote lib from his website. I'll put the link up and I'll put some screenshots of the site up. And you will also need a copy of Microsoft Windows Visual Studio, you will need a copy of Microsoft Visual Basic Express, which is available free from the Microsoft site. The reason I'm using Visual Basic rather than C# is just so as the noobs, it's easy to program, and basically you'll be able to pick this up and follow along with me. We're going to be looking at configuring the drivers tonight. So let's get started. Okie doke. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to Brian Peake's website and download the remote drivers, download the latest version. Extract the sample projects to your desktop or to a folder on your machine. You will need to extract the Wiimote test VB project. You also need to put your USB dongle in the PC. If it asks you to convert the project, just click Finish and it should convert. Okay, so once the project's converted, just close the conversion log and minimise it for the moment. Now, let's get some screen capture on the go. Screen capture is good. Okay, so first thing you are going to need to do is make sure your Bluetooth dongle is inserted into the computer and the drivers are installed. Next, ensure that you have some charged batteries in your remote, because if they're low it tends to spit out incorrect readings from the sensors. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is go to Add Device and then press the red button and you'll see that Nintendo RVLCNT01 has appeared. Double click that and choose Pair without a code. Okay, so in Visual Basic Studio now, with the project loaded and converted, click the play button. As you can see, the remote has just lit up on the Player 1 LED selector, and you can see there's lots of data going across the into this form. And basically what this tells us is what's happening on the Wiimote. So we can see that the buttons are being which buttons are being pressed: 1, 2, up, down, left, right. We can also plug the nunchuck in and see the values from that. We can set the LEDs on here, so you can see that now there's 4, and we can take them all off we can also control the vibration. And then if we have the nunchuck connected, or guitar connected, or drums connected, that's quite cool. I didn't know that they had expanded the library to incorporate these controllers, because when I first looked at it, it was just for the Wiimote. So on that note, you can use some pretty cool stuff with this Wiimote library. I hope you've enjoyed this episode on setting the Wiimote up in the Visual Studio. We'll be back tomorrow with some interactive programming and Visual Basic, some basic game programming, and double buffering and other cool stuff. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. We'll be back soon. Have fun hacking.